Welcome to the next video on VAP. In the year 2015, leaders from 193 countries of the world came together to face the future. The problems, that is the natural calamities like famine, earthquakes, drought, the wars, the diseases like AIDS, the poverty, the hunger were in front of humanity. And this is not happening in some distant places, but in their own country, cities, towns and villages. They also knew that billions of people worldwide shared their hope for a better future. So they created a plan called the Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs. It's an ambitious plan and comprises of 17 goals. So let us discuss one by one in brief. We are going to discuss it. So the first sustainable goal is no poverty. End extreme poverty in all forms by 2030. Second goal is zero hunger. That is, end hunger, achieve food security and improved nutrition and promote sustainable agriculture. Third SDG is good health and well-being. Ensure healthy lives and promote well-being for all at all ages. Fourth one is quality education. Ensuring inclusive and equitable quality education and promote lifelong learning opportunities for all. Fifth one is gender equality. Achieve gender equality and empower all women and girls. Sixth one is clean water and sanitation. That is, ensure availability and sustainable management of water and sanitation for all. Seventh one, affordable and clean energy. So what exactly it says? Ensure access to affordable, reliable, sustainable and modern energy for all. 8.1 is the decent work and economic growth. So what exactly it says? Promote sustained, inclusive and sustainable economic growth, full and productive employment and decent work for all. Ninth goal is industry, innovation and infrastructure. It says, build resilient infrastructure, promote inclusive and sustainable industrialization and foster innovations. 10th goal, reduced inequalities. Reduced inequality within and among countries. 11th one is sustainable cities and communities. That is, make cities and human settlements inclusive, safe, resilient and sustainable. 12th one is responsible consumption and production. That is, ensure sustainable consumption and production patterns. 13th, climate action. What exactly it says? Take urgent action to combat climate change and its impact. 14th, life below water. Conserve and sustainably use the oceans, seas and marine resources for sustainable development. 15th one is life on land. Protect, restore and promote sustainable use of terrestrial ecosystems, sustainably manage forest, combat desertification and halt and reverse land degradation and halt biodiversity loss. 16th goal, peace, justice and strong institutions. promote peaceful and inclusive societies for sustainable development, provide access to justice for all, and build effective, accountable, and inclusive institutions at all levels. 17. Partnerships for the goals, that is, strengthen the means of implementation and revitalize the global partnership for sustainable development. The UNDP, that is, the United Nations Development Programme, is one of the leading organizations working to fulfill the SDGs by the year 2030. So the references are these two websites. Thank you.